Precision, stability, and reliability are the foundation of modern industrial manufacturing. This project presents the production of precision mechanical components engineered for continuous operation in demanding environments. Welcome to B&K Precision Machining Channel. Two high-precision cylindrical components were manufactured as critical functional elements for greenhouse equipment, agro-systems, and floristic production lines. Their application requires dimensional repeatability, structural rigidity, and stable performance under continuous and cyclic loads. The components were produced from C45 carbon steel supplied as round bar stock. During the technological preparation stage, technical drawings were thoroughly analyzed, critical tolerances were identified, machining allowances were calculated, and process parameters were optimized to ensure stable serial production. Machining operations were carried out on modern CNC turning centers with high structural rigidity and positioning accuracy. Complex turning operations were performed on a Haas DS30Y, ensuring controlled concentricity and minimal runout. Long components were machined on a Haas ST30L, providing uniform geometry along the entire length. Raw material blanks were cut with a controlled length deviation not exceeding plus or minus 0.5 millimeters. Rough and finish turning operations were performed using optimized cutting parameters to achieve the specified dimensions and surface quality. After machining, the components were prepared for heat treatment. Hardening was applied to increase hardness, wear resistance, and long-term dimensional stability during continuous operation. Quality control was implemented at every critical stage, from incoming material inspection to final verification after heat treatment. All measurements were carried out using calibrated measuring instruments by qualified personnel. The finished components provide high positioning accuracy, structural rigidity, and reliable performance as part of industrial equipment. Subscribe to our channel to see more precision machining projects from B&K Precision Machining. Visit bnkmachining.com to learn more about our services. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next project.